Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I'm just reviewing and unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case, which is similar to the iPhone 13 Pro Max and all the 13 lineup that the leather cases come with. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I completely fund everything on this channel myself. It's a one-man show, and if you'd like to see more content, you can subscribe. It's for free. All right, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Now, I've been looking at this and trying to figure out how to open this thing up. So I don't know how it opens up, to be honest. I don't want to break it, but something's stopping it from coming out. I don't know how. Okay, so you just had to pull it a bit harder. I wasn't pulling it hard enough. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, so that's the case. So the good news about these new cases with the new designs are they're covering the bottom, okay, and they also are MagSafe, which is good. Nice and soft inside, plasticky outside from this side, but like leathery all the way. It's got metal bits here as well. All right, now let's look at what we get. So just a bit of a booklet in regards to taking care of it, I think, and some information, and that's basically it. All right, okay, that's basically it for the unboxing of this case. Let me know what you guys think of it, and yeah, I'll probably do a review of it in a couple of weeks and let you guys know if this case is any good. Thanks for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.